All right, special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this X-Pac 10 drone. So discover a new world. Very nice looking drone here. Some of the features here on top: throw and go, circle fly, high speed rotation, dazzling lights, 360-degree flip, gestures for photos and videos, headless mode, off key taking off and landing, photo and video, and voice control. Just the name there, X-Pac 10. Same there, and same on the bottom, just with a picture. The back, mini drone camera, blue, just some of the information about the product here. So let's open this up, see what we have. So let's slide it out. That's it for the box. Wow, a little bit to unpack here. Very tiny, whoa. I don't know why I didn't realize it was this small. Like, the remote's bigger than the drone. So this pulls back, these go out, okay. Looks like your battery slides right back in here. That's your little camera for photos and videos. Power button, very nice. What a tiny little drone, wow. So this is a charger for the batteries. So a little USB charger, and then a little screwdriver, and then two little batteries here. So 380 milliamp hours, rechargeable batteries. Very nice. They plug in right there to charge and just slide into the drone. And then we got some more stuff down here. So this little packet has some, these are little protecting covers for the propellers, for those, some extra screws, the batteries for the remote control, which that's awesome. Normally those are not included, but those are included. A few extra propellers in case yours break. And of course, a full user's manual to tell you how to set it up, how to fly it, everything we're not showing you here. Then lastly, this is the remote for it. Nice joysticks. Looks like that's a camera button and a video button. 3D flip, speed, up, down, left, right, take off and land, power. A few features there. And unscrew this to put your batteries in, which are included. Very nice. All right. Well, thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this little drone to unbox and show you. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.